We are nature. Nature is us. This is gonna be our Hügelkultur mound bed. Basically, we're storing nutrients with logs and mulch, straw, grass, compost, and it's all gonna break down together. Here we go. Well, also our yard is on a hill, so it kind of helps to grab the nutrients in the water that are running down the slope. So we'll kind of build it up to hold in the water and nutrients. Get the water, collect the water, put some big logs at the bottom, then some smaller sticks, then some straw. So the longer stuff takes longer to decompose, and if you had some softer logs, that would be a nice in-between layer, and smaller sticks, and then some straw, and then we're going to layer some different layers of soil on top. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. Layers. So many layers.
Lots of layers?
Oh, so many layers. Just layers upon layers upon layers upon layers. And then upon more layers. Just like the nature of growth and patterns. And just putting your spirit and love into the physical world. Having a connection. We can add a little bit more compost onto the top, and then we'll probably do a mulch layer over top at the end to keep the moisture that way. And then there's kind of like a slope that can get access to sun. Oh, growing your own food, seeing flowers, watching things grow, having a connection to the earth.